Alright, here's a brown 42-inch unknown Hunter ceiling fan here at my condo. This is in the other guest bedroom. See, there's the Hunter. See, alright. See, got the light, those lights. Really bright LED lights. Alright. I'm gonna turn the fan on real quick. Pulling the air up, and now, whoa, gotta pull air down. There's the top of it. Alright, here's low. Here's medium. You have to be really careful. This is a good fan, but it's not worth. Wait, nope. That was right. Sorry. Alright. There's medium. Now I'm trying to high. I am flashing low battery, so my camera's probably gonna run out. Sorry about that. Well, that feels good. Well, that feels good. Oops. There we go. That feels good. That fan feels good. Alright. Put it back on medium. Alright. You know what? Put it back on medium. Alright. So again, this is a brown 42-inch unknown Hunter ceiling fan. I don't know the model of it. If anybody knows the model, feel free to let me know in a comment. Again, alright, this is the third fan. I got one more fan to show you, so it'll be the one delivering next, so stay tuned for that. Until then, that will... Alright. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until then, that's gonna be it.